Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Ethereum from Uphold to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process smooth and hassle-free. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, it's easier than ever to move your assets around, but let's make sure you do it right to avoid any fees or delays. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Revolut. You'll need your Ethereum balance in Uphold and the Revolut app ready to receive it. Oh, and always double-check network fees. Ethereum transactions can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to the dashboard and select your Ethereum wallet. It's usually listed under your crypto holdings. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw or Send option. Uphold might have updated their interface by now, so look for something similar. Step 2. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits. These could be around 0.01 ETH depending on Uphold's policies in 2025. Next, you'll need the Revolut Ethereum address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and select Ethereum to generate or view your wallet address. Copy that address carefully. No typos allowed. Step 3. Paste the Revolut address into the To field in Uphold. Double-check everything. The amount, the address, and the network. In 2025, make sure you're using the Ethereum mainnet for compatibility. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Uphold security settings, like two-factor authentication. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Blockchain confirmations can take a few minutes to an hour, so grab a coffee while it happens. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your Ethereum arrive. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Head to the transaction history on both platforms to troubleshoot. A quick tip. In 2025, with rising crypto adoption, watch out for gas fees. They might be lower with new scaling solutions, but always use a fee estimator. And remember, this is for educational purposes. Crypto involves risks, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it, you've successfully sent Ethereum from Uphold to Revolut. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.